Common English questions and answers. Everyday English conversations. Improve your English speaking.
What do you think about this event?
I really like it. What do you think?
Are you here with anybody?
I came with my best friend.
Have you got a pet?
I've got a puppy.
How do you do?
How do you do? Pleased to meet you.
What's this?
This is a pencil.
What does she look like?
She's tall and slim with blonde hair.
How is she?
She's pretty.
What is he like?
He is very smart and brave.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm full.
How do you feel about him?
He is quite friendly and helpful.
May I open the window?
Certainly, it's very hot in the office today.
Do you need help?
Yes, please, if you don't mind.
What do you do every day?
I listen to music and play badminton every day.
What are you planning to do today?
I'm not sure yet.
What are you planning for after work?
I'm going shopping with my friends.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I'm free tomorrow.
Will you join me for coffee?
Sorry, I'm afraid I don't have time.
Could we have lunch together one day?
I'd love to, but I'm very busy at the moment.
Would you like to have dinner with me?
Yes, that would be nice.
Where do you want to go?
I'd like to go to a Japanese restaurant.
Would you like to come to the cinema with me tonight?
Sorry, I can't. I've got other plans.
Would you like to play a round of golf this weekend?
That would be great.
How about coming to the barbecue at the tennis club?
Sure, that should be fun.
Have you been waiting long?
I've only just arrived.
Is it close to the subway station?
Yes, it's very close.
How long does it take?
It takes half an hour.
How often do you ride the bus?
Once in a while.
Could you tell me how to get to the police station?
Take the second road on the right.
Excuse me, is there a bank near here?
Yes, there is a bank nearby.
What's the best way to the museum?
Go across the bridge, turn right. It's on Oliver Street.
Can I speak to Emma, please?
I'm sorry, Emma's not here at the moment.
When will she be back?
She'll be back in 20 minutes.
Did you get my message?
Oh, yeah, I think I got something from you.
Would you like to leave a message?
Please ask her to call me back.
How long have you been working here?
I've been working here 5 years.
What time does the meeting start?
The meeting will start at 9 a.m.
What time does the meeting finish?
The meeting will finish at 11 a.m.
Are you sick?
Yes, I'm sick.
What are your symptoms?
I've got a headache.
How long have you been feeling like this?
For 2 days.
Are you on any sort of medication?
I need a sick note.
Where's the counter, please?
It's over here, next to gate 7.
May I have your passport, please?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
Do you have anything to declare?
No, nothing. Just the normal allowance.
Do you have any bags to check?
Yes, there's this suitcase.
Would you prefer an aisle seat or a window seat?
I'll, please.
What's the purpose of your trip?
I'm on vacation.
Where are you going to be staying?
With some friends in the Artisan Hotel.
How long are you staying in New York?
About 2 weeks.
Could you tell me where Gate E is?
Go straight ahead.
Can I help you find something?
Yes, I'm looking for coffee.
Could you tell me where the meat is?
If you go to the frozen food section, you'll find the meat there.
Where can I find the non-fat biscuits?
They're in all 9.
How much would you like?
I'd like 200 grams of meat, please.
Can you offer me any discount?
I'm sure I could offer you a discount.
Do you need any help packing?
I can manage myself, thank you.
Would you like a receipt?
That would be great.
What times are you open?
We're open from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m., 7 days a week.
What time do you open?
We open at 9 a.m.
What time do you close?
We close at 6 p.m.
Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't.
What kind of room would you like?
I'd like a single room, please.
May I see your ID, please?
Certainly, here it is.
Could I see the room?
Your room number is 401.
Do you have a credit card, sir?
Of course.
How long will you be staying?
2 weeks from this Monday.
Do you have any rooms available for the 14th of April?
I'm sorry, we don't have any rooms available.
Have you ever been abroad?
Yes, I have. I went to Japan last year for a business trip.
What do you usually do during your trip?
I often go sightseeing, take pictures.
Do you prefer traveling by car, train or plane?
I prefer the plane, although it is a little expensive.
Do you prefer traveling alone or joining a guided tour?
I love backpacking with my friends.